In the middle of London, a place to call your own. Our city rooms are waiting, you'll never feel alone. Located in Zone 1, so you're close to everything. For students and young pros, a new life it will bring. Choose an ensuite single, or a twin or triple room, or share a dorm together, chasing away the gloom. Free Wi-Fi and bedding, insurance for your things, and 24-hour CCTV, the safety that it brings. Oh, London City rooms, a place to settle in, central and convenient, where your new life can begin. No need to worry, everything's taken care of. It's easy living, a place you're gonna love. Hang out in the common room or use the laundry there. A gym for cardio and weights beyond compare. Choose catered or self-catered, the meals are all arranged. The longer that you stay with us, the price can be exchanged. We'll talk you through the